vehicle? Check out the 2020 XC60. From sidewalks to pathways in the blink of an eye, the XC60 was named a Consumer's Digest Best Buy in the cars, pickups, minivans, SUVs, and hybrids category and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 800 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear fog light, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, rear window defroster. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.